Welcome to AP Statistics with Mr. Walton. We are going to use this time to review Chapter 6. In particular, right now we're going to do 6.1, Random Variables. So I need you to make sure that you remember the difference between discrete, think countable, and continuous types of variables or numbers. So don't forget that. You can check your notes, you can look at mine, and here we go. Example number 1. Suppose you were given the following probability distribution for the number of goals scored in a randomly selected lacrosse match. Sketch the probability distribution. All right, so you guys try that now. Please realize this number is 0.174. All right, here we go. And hopefully you have a histogram that looks something similar to mine. You might have it in more detail. Don't forget your labels. And then for part B, it says find and interpret the mean and standard deviation. You guys know you got your calculator shortcuts. If you would like to use those, that's great. Or you can do this as an expected value calculation. So, on average, I expect about 12 goals to be scored per match. And for our standard deviation, 1.318. And what does that mean? That means, on average, I expect the number of goals scored to deviate from the mean by about 1.3 goals. All right, so we're going to move on to example number 2. Alrighty then. The weights of toddler boys fall in an approximately normal distribution with a mean of 34 pounds and a standard deviation of 3½ pounds. If you were to randomly select one toddler boy, what is the probability that the toddler weighs less than 31 pounds? Make sure you dissect and try this, and then you're going to see my solution momentarily. Alright, so I've highlighted, try to give you some information to remember and write about. You may want to use pens to underline. That would be great. Here's the thing. Don't ever forget that I need a probability statement, I need a picture, and I better have a statement of conclusion in context. Huge, huge, huge. Don't forget this. All right, let's move on. Yeah, some calculator reminders, okay, just for you. Excellent. That's what I'm talking about. And that is 6.1 in a nutshell.